One fast, I turn fast.
Today, we're going to be painting with watercolor. Go ahead, get your paintbrush wet and pick a color.
And white.
White on white paper?
With no wire. It's darker.
Try a darker color, you say?
No, I did wire.
Okay.
Oh. We aren't. Ooh, they wire. We the orange. It's not yellow. This yellow. A yellow. This one yellow.
What color can I do?
I know.
I'll get my paintbrush wet.
Brown.
Get brown. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5.
1, 2, 3, 4, 5. I'm gonna make a triangle. Get the triangle. 1, 2, 3. 1, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Ooh, darker now.
One, 2,
3,
4,
4.
5.
Yeah. 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. I'm white. I'm white.
You want to do a rainbow?
Yeah, I'm the rainbow.
Alright, so you already have a nice green. I'm going to do yellow. 1, 2, 3.
I'm gonna do reds. Reds. To red. In the reds. I want
Orange. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. It's kind of a yellowy orange.
that. Why that orange? 1, 2, 3. The rainbow. Damn pink. The pink.
Oh, nice.
Pink. I'm going to do pink. Pinky. Twinkle pink.
I'm missing a color. Ooh, purple.
No, black. No blue.
Blue? You want to do the blue or you want me to do the blue?
I want you to do the blue.
Switch to blue. Ooh, it's so bright. Blue.
I'm going to do purple. Yay, got purple.
Let's do more purple.
I want to do pink. I'm gonna do orange. Orange. I want to do pink. 1, 2, 3.
Keep going.
we'll keep it white out. I'm gonna make another one.
Can you say keep being creative?
Keeping with
Bye.
bye. I want to do another one. I want to paint another one.